Hello, my name is Stephanie Calvortis. I am from Colombia and I was born in the city of Pereira. And I live in a three-floor house with my parents, my brother, and my niece. I am 24 years old. I am professional in pre-hospital care and I work at Sanitas X. My daily routine is to wake at 5:45 a.m. and take a shower. I have breakfast at 6:20 a.m. I brush my teeth and after I go to work. At 6 p.m. I go back to my house to get a shower. At 7 p.m. I have dinner and at 7:13 p.m. I begin to do my homework from the university until 10 p.m. I drink coffee with milk and I finally go to sleep. On Saturdays, I go out to eat hot dog or hamburgers, and on Sundays, I hang out with my parents to have lunch or to the movies. I like soccer, the cinema. I like to sing, to dance, and to travel with my family. I highlights lamps in responsibility on punctuality. And finally, I don't like beans, legs, chicken, energy drinks. Goodbye. See you later.